Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how to create CSV file in React.js from tabular data. So you can see inside the demo, we have a table-like structure. We have 4 columns: ID, name, age, email, and we have 4 rows of data. So we have a button as well to actually convert all this data into CSV file. So if I click the button, you will see the file will get downloaded, the CSV file, and it's a comma separated value. So you can see 4 rows of data has been constructed. So I will show you a library in React.js which does this specific job, and the name of this package is react-csv. So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, which is react-csv. So it is actually this module. Command is very simple: npm react csv to install this. It's a very popular module. You can see 475,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, inside your React.js project, simply install this module. And we are also using React Bootstrap and Bootstrap specifically for constructing the user interface. Also install this also. So I've already installed these modules. So what I will do, I will construct this functional component. So at the very top, we need to import the module. So it has a method which is CSV link. So it's a module here, CSV link, which allows you to create CSV files. It is coming from React CSV. And then we need to import some modules from React Bootstrap. We will use this button container row called table. And also we will include the main.css file of Bootstrap. Just import this. So now in the JSX, we will construct the interface. We will have the container element of React Bootstrap. Inside this, we will have the row tag, and we'll basically be giving a bootstrap class of justify content center, and inside this we will have this column here, and we'll be giving this medium, and again a text center class, and inside this you will have a basic heading, which will say download CSV samples. So essentially this bootstrap thing is not necessary for this tutorial, so I'm just using it for constructing the interface. So inside this we will actually have a table where we will have this tabular data. So we will have 2 columns. First will be for the ID, then is the name, and also we have 2 more columns, age, and then we have email address. So you can have as many columns as you want. So we are, for example, we are just taking 4. So after this we will have the table body tag. So inside this we need to loop through the data. So we just need to create a state variable in React.js to hold the data for us. So we will just create a data array. So this array will contain an array of objects. Each object will contain 4 properties. First is the ID, and then we have the name, and then we have the age, and lastly we have the email. So this data can be coming from an API, this from database. For this example, we are just hard coding it. So now we have these 4 columns. You can change the data here. So now we have this data array here. We can even declare a headers array as well. So this will actually contain your column names. So we will have the label property, which refers to your ID, name, age, email. So these are all your column names. So now to show this inside the JSX, inside this table body, first of all, we loop through all the data. So data.map operator we will use. And for each row, we will loop through, and in the table row tag, we will basically give it a key parameter here. So it will be the row.id. And using table data tag, we will dynamically print out all the four properties. First is the ID, then we have the name, then we have our age. So in this way you can print it, and lastly we have the email address. So if you check your browser, you will see the tabular structure is displaying all these four rows. So now we just need a simple button to convert this data into CSV file. So just outside your table, we will use this CSV link module that we installed, and this takes some attributes. First of all, it takes the actual data that you want to convert to CSV file. So this data property here will be providing the data variable that we declared, if you see. So we are directly providing it. The second property it takes is your headers. It refers to the column names, so that's why we declared that variable. So we will be referencing this headers variable, which contains your column names. And the thirdly, we give it a file name. So whatever file name that you want to give, let me give users.csv. And in between that, we will simply use the bootstrap button, and this button will simply say download CSV. And I will make this button a blue color. Size will be large. We're giving a bootstrap class of margin top 3. So if you refresh your browser, you will see the button appearing out just below the table. And if you click this button, automatically all the data that you have in the table is converted to CSV file, and the file is successfully downloaded. And if you open your file in the text editor, you will see this is your comma separated value. All the data has been converted to CSV files. So in this way, you can use this module in React.js to construct your CSV files from the tabular data. So it's a very simple module. You can integrate this. I've shown you step by step. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.